Today we're going to simplify the difference between learner experience design and instructional design. And what you're going to learn is it is all about the intention of the course creator.
We are e-learning partners. Thank you for being here at the channel. We have a free masterclass
So you can learn how to design the perfect course.
Get instant access today.
So, learner experience design versus instructional design. Instructional design has been around way longer because when e-learning first came into existence, it was all about the instructor. Or at least, that's how the instructors made it, right? That's how institutional education was built, right? It's all about the prestigious school, not about the prestigious learner.
It's focused on the subject matter expert. And let me tell you why. Let us tell you why that's a problem. Have you ever seen e-learning programs and online courses not do well, not be engaging? Because it's so focused on what the subject matter expert believes is the right thing to teach, rather focusing on the learner and creating content around the learner and their biggest challenges. So instructional design is specifically about the subject matter expert, what they want to teach, how they want to teach it, how they want to present it, without really truly focusing on the most important part to e-learning, which is what, Johnny?
You're a learner. I mean, even instructional design, the root of instructional design is instruct or instructor, so it is about the instructor. On the other side of things, we have this learner experience design. So learner experience design is all about learner wants. We circled it right there. It's about the learner. It has learner in the name. If it has instructor in the name, it's probably not about the learner. If it has learner in the name, it's about the learner. Learner experience is all that really matters. Without a happy learner, you don't have a program, because they won't engage in it.
Remember, with learner wants, with learner experience, it's about the learner. It is for the learner. It is understanding the learner's biggest challenges. It's creating content that solves those biggest challenges. It's creating content and presenting and distributing it in a way that connects with the learner. It is all about them. And remember, if you want a successful e-learning program or online course, you have to focus on the end person or
what does the learner want?
Taking it. It is the learner. Make it about the learner.
Not about the SME.
Thanks for liking and subscribe. That was great.